The wrong stud finder leaves extra holes and lingering clutter. Start with the CH. Hanson 03040 for compact value. Switch for clearer alerts or faster mapping. Choose by signal clarity, project frequency, and storage space. For most homes, by the CH. Hanson 03040 Magnetic Stud Finder. It's compact, durable, and inexpensive enough for occasional shelves, mirrors, railings, and artwork. 2 magnets scan a wider area, while the level and marking point reduce extra tool juggling. But it finds metal fasteners rather than the wood itself, so confirm the line using multiple hits. It can also struggle through thicker material. Skip it if you want electronic guidance or regularly deal with difficult plaster and lath walls. For an easier-to-notice signal, choose the Studpop Magnetic Stud Finder. It physically moves and makes a small sound over a screw, giving you visual and audible confirmation without an electronic display. That's useful if subtle magnetic resistance feels too vague. Its single magnet scans a narrower path, so expect more passes across the wall. It also lacks a level and dedicated marking point. Skip it if ruggedness, quick coverage, or built-in marking matters more than signal feedback. For frequent projects, upgrade to the Sensors ProSensor 710. Its 13 sensing points and LED array reveal the stud's span, without the repeated calibration routine common to many electronic finders. That makes repeated wall layouts faster and easier to interpret. The trade-off is cost and bulk. It's expensive for occasional picture hanging and needs more storage space. Near corners, windows, or doors, several structural areas may light up together. Skip it if you want the smallest, cheapest no-battery option. Quick Split, CH. Hanson suits most occasional jobs. Studpop gives magnetic hits clearer feedback. Franklin is the faster, more informative choice for frequent DIY projects. Before buying, check your wall material, decide whether you need stud width guidance, and leave enough room to scan away from corners and trim. Start with the CH. Hanson 03040 unless you need stronger signal feedback. Choose Studpop for noticeable alerts, or Franklin for frequent projects and stud width guidance. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.